everybody, it's Caridad. Welcome back to my channel. I just woke up, so I hope you guys don't mind sort of informal, vloggy, chatty type of video today. I want to count my locks today. It's been like on my to-do list. I just want to know, and people ask and I want to have the answer. But I feel like I've also just hit the stage of my hair not like looking how I want it to look every day when I wake up. So it's the end of August now, which means I'm 7 months into this journey. Honestly, I just woke up, so this isn't really like how my hair looks every day, because I do style it kind of a little bit, but I just like, I always, or not always, but for a long time when I had locks, I had pretty long hair, like it was always at least armpit length. And I've had short hair before, but I've had like lobs, you know, like a long bob. This is the shortest like locks I've ever had. Like even as a kid, my parents didn't start my locks on short hair, and I never have either, so I feel like I've been loving this sort of, well now it's sort of like a 90s grown out pixie cut. Maybe the new trendy Bixie perhaps, but I really love it like aesthetically, but I feel kind of limited, I guess, because when it's this short, it kind of looks the same every day. Like my bangs can look different every day because they are doing their own thing, but in general my hair looks the same every day, and I'm just kind of like, you know, like I never do a lot to my hair. I do always sort of have hair that I can just like get up and go with, but I do like having fun with my appearance. You know, if you guys have been around for a while, you know that I was a full-time actor. Ooh, surprise. I actually this year have not been acting, but before this year I was a full-time actor, so I was pretty limited to, you know, what I could do with my appearance. I have like 7 tattoos and 7 piercings, and I stopped getting them anymore, obviously, because acting. And like I've really been wanting a new tattoo. I don't think I want any more piercings, but I've really been wanting a new tattoo. I really like, you know, when I started this lock journey, it was for many reasons, and one of the things I was like most excited about was to finally have like full control over my hair again, starting from scratch. Like I really wanted to have like a fun hair color or something like that. But then, you know, I didn't want to like do anything too manipulative to like new baby locks before they're mature. And I'm only 7 months in, like I just said, so like my hair is not locked. It's definitely maturing, and I guess I just want things to like move along faster, which I know is not realistic. Everyone has to just go with the flow, go through the process, but like I said, I think it's because I never started locks with short hair before. I never really felt those constraints. Like I want my hair, like I really love the short hair, and now I want my hair to be longer. Not as long as it was. I think I'm totally on board for the shorter hair, but I kind of want like this length with the bangs that I have already. I think that's my goal right now, and that's like twice as long maybe. And I think when you start locks with longer hair, you don't have as much of the like shrinkage that seems like your hair doesn't grow for years phase, because gravity stretches it out, so you actually see the growth. Because I know that I'm interlocking my roots like regularly, and it's a lot of new growth, so my hair is definitely growing, but you know, it's scrunching and bunching and shrinking up into the lock to like form that new lock matrix, and so it's not reflected length, and I just don't know how long that's gonna keep going for. I want something here. I want to do a half up. I want to wear my hats. I want to wear my little buns. Like I don't know, just like things that make me feel more like me, I guess. So obviously I can't do anything about that. Of course, I'm like speaking this into the universe right now, so I wouldn't be surprised if like month 8 is when my hair starts really sprouting or something, because I've just started like desiring length. And then as for like dyeing my hair, I used to dye my hair all the time, but not really when I had locks. When I had longer locks, like right before this lock journey, which this is what I look like. My hair was more like sun bleached, and I really miss that color. And I've been like trying to think about what I can do about that. I don't know if it would really show up here, but about half of the length of my locks is a lighter brown, and then closer to the roots is a darker brown. So my hair has been lightening back up to like its natural springtime, summertime color, I guess. I like more warm toned hair on me. I live in LA, but if you guys know, we had like the longest rainy, cold season like on record this past year. It was dark and rainy for most of the days, and then it only became sunny summer last month in July. We had the major June gloom as well, so I like didn't get as much sun this year, and I was really banking on that because I just feel like this length of my hair, it's brown, but it's like such a dark brown. It's not even like the same color as my parents' hair. Like it's, I don't know, I've been spending too much time inside or something. So I kind of want to like lighten my hair, but I definitely don't want to bleach it or dye it. I don't think that my locks are like mature enough and strong enough to deal with that right now. I don't think they would like unravel, but I don't want them to have like less structural integrity. I'm looking into it though, so we'll see what happens there. I might look different in my next video. I just need something. I need to feel a little more like me, unless like I'm waiting to become me, if that makes sense. Okay, so I accidentally deleted the whole outro that I filmed right after this, but I have 269 locks. So I would have more if all were the same size, but they're not. You know, different areas of my head have different like densities and thickness of hair, so I wanted to pay attention to that when I was doing my twists. I think I've pretty much decided I am gonna lighten my hair, and I'm probably doing it tomorrow, so it'll be my next video. Keep an eye out for that, and I'm excited about it. Just a little something to look a little bit different. All right, hope you guys are having a great day. I'll see you soon. Bye.